Hi! Hi! Say good morning. Good morning. It's Thursday morning, guys. Dito kami sa labas. Dito kami sa flour and chocolate.
Say hi, boy.
Oh, may gusto din na nanggigigil kay Louie. Ba!
Ba!
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
I can actually play this well. That's not money.
Oh, Nap, tell them about your money. Oh, you didn't give your money to Daddy.
What?
You didn't give your money to Daddy. I said we can get us something to drink with your money. Tell Tita and Tito where you got it from.
I got this from Tooth Fairy the other night.
Yeah. She's very lucky. Even though binunot ng dentist dahil may cavity yung kanyang ngipin, ay binigyan pa rin siya ng tooth fairy ng $50. How lucky I am.
Maybe it's because like I got
Not sure.
and I also got $10.
10 cents?
10 cents, $5,
5
and
cents?
1 peso.
1 peso? Yeah, that's right. I got 1 peso.
I want the turquoise one. I love turquoise.
Is that turquoise? Beautiful.
It smells.
Even yung very colorful ang mga cups. Binigyan nila kami ng cups for water and then cups for our drinks. Stay, Louie. Stay. Daddy's coming back.
Okay, then you give that to...
Where's Daddy?
We'll give it to Corella.
What?
Hey, how about you? You already had your breakfast.
Want mommy?
We'll give it to the witch then if you don't want it.
It was picture.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back
Kantala.
to our channel. Happy Friday. It is 8 something in the morning. And i-drop natin ang ating baby Celine kasi papasok siya sa school today. Say hi sa, oy, say morning siya. Oy, did you put lip gloss on? Beautiful lips. Very shiny. Yeah. Ate? Open the other side na, anak. Gosh, napakaw. Where's Lenny going? Where's Lenny going? Huh? Yes, Baba. Can you hear your friends? Can you hear your friends? At least there. Siya yung nagdadala ng bag ni Baby Celine. Say hi, ate. Kakadrop lang namin kay Baby Celine. And I'm with my bestie here. Hi, where are we going?
Going to Mama's, what's it called? Lash's place.
Yes, I'm gonna get my lashes done again, guys. So it's just here. Careful, anak. This way. Tingnan niyo ang pa-outfit ng ating Ate Paris. Yan, may babag si Madam. So this is only like 3 minutes from us. Here, the Lash studio. This is where we're going.
Thanks, bye.
Hi, Bambi! Can I put
Hi, Jovi.
in my vlog? Hi! Oh my god, so cute!
Let me just quickly write this down. I've just booked Bambi into Peace Clean up the vet. Very exciting.
Yeah! So cute.
Okay, there we go. Done. And then
It's so cute.
sorted. Are you vlogging today?
Yeah, I'm vlogging today. Is that okay? Can I show you?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, that's Jay. does my beautiful lashes, guys. So aesthetic here, guys. Look. Oh,
Look at how cute it is.
this is like a dream for me, guys. Oh, beautiful. Oh, see? She loves pink too. Bambi. That's her, and it's so cute. Now that I see her, like, I feel like she's so tiny because we have this poodle and she's a bit bigger.
Bambi is so small.
Yeah.
Whenever I see another dog and I get home and see Bambi, I'm like, oh, you're so small. So little.
Oh my goodness.
Alrighty.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna show you my lashes, guys. Oh, it's dark.
Turn
This one.
yeah, wave at the, yeah, there you
Hey,
go.
magic. Magic.
There you go.
Look. Can you see? Okay.
Take your glasses off.
Wow, beautiful.
So pretty.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jess. Thank you. Guys,
You're
if you're in Brisbane, you know where to go.
Yay.
Jess is here. Justin, is this still Bulimba or?
Hawthorne.
Hawthorne.
Yeah.
Hawthorne. That's right. Thank you,
You're
Jess.
welcome, Jovi.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby girl. We are now home, guys. It's currently 11:30 and umuwi kami kaagad kasi may nag-message na magpipick up ng bag. So, I got the bags ready. Actually, dalawa ito sila. I will wipe it off. Yung mga kiki. Yeah. First one is this crossbody bag. Sabi ni ate, she's on her way now. So, that's for her. And there's another one coming. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm available anytime before 12:30 kasi malakad kami ni Ate Paris, guys. And she is picking up this beauty. Ayan. She said she can make it kasi nasa city lang daw siya. And we're not far from the city, guys. It's only 11:40, so she still have at least 50 minutes to get here. Alis kami ni Ate Paris para kitain si Daddy Mike for lunch. So, Daddy Mike is working sa office today. He always do when it's Friday. So, sabi niya 2 o'clock na yung break niya for lunch. So, yeah, we're going to see him and we'll have lunch together. Original plan namin ni Ate Paris ay after ng lashes, we'll have something to eat, which we already did. And pupunta sana kami ng Carindale Shopping Center para bumili ng hangers pang skirts. Kasi this Sunday, Mommy is going to the studio again para magbenta ng mga goodies natin. And I really need the hangers. So, yun sana yung plano. And also, get Ate Paris's clothing for gymnastics because she's going to do like a trial tomorrow for gymnastics. But then, mas pinili ni Ate Paris, mas pinili namin na kitain si Daddy Mike for lunch at 2. So, yung gagawin namin, since may mga shops naman malapit sa work ni Daddy Mike, we'll go there after lunch namin or even before lunch kung may time. We'll have a look there instead. I'm going to quickly show you my new set of lashes. Yan. Bago na naman yung lashes ng mami nyo. And I'm very happy with it. Super like it. Although may natanggap ako na comment, guys, from the last time na nagpagawa tayo ng lashes. And to be honest, it was her first time na mag-comment sa any of our videos. This is the first time na nakita ko yung name niya. And she said, sadly, even those upgrades, may ganun siya, guys, my quote, even those upgrades did not make a difference. So, nang insulto si ate, guys. Like, hayaan natin siya. Maybe it made her happy or it made her feel better about herself na nakapagsabi siya ng ganun sa ibang tao. But yeah, I kindly replied to her. Sabi ko, you're entitled to your opinion. Thanks for watching and for taking the time to comment. Kasi at the end of the day, guys, what matters most for me is how it made me feel after I got them. And not what she thinks about it. Because I know, 1,000% sure, na yung mga tao may masasabi at masasabi talaga. I'm glad, I'm very happy for those who appreciated it. Sabi, oh, it looks good, Jovi. Maganda sa bagay sa'yo. Ganun. But yung iba talaga, guys, ay may sinasabi lang talaga para makapanakit ng feeling Alam niyo yun? But I don't mind. Again, she put that comment. It means she's watching. And I'm glad she's watching. And I just really hope na, you know, if you have nothing good, nothing nice, nothing kind to say, just keep your opinion to yourself. But everyone's different. So, yun yung gusto niyang gawin. Ang magsabi ng ano, upgrade ba yan na wala namang pagbabago daw, ganito, ganyan. And again, at least na sinasabi na walang pagbabago. So, I felt like I was beautiful after my lashes. And sinasabi niya na walang pagbabago. So, maybe maganda nga talaga ako. At least, hindi ako pumangit na nagpalagay ako ng lashes, diba? And again, guys, I don't do it all the time. Like, not to the extent na nagpapa-refill ako kasi gusto kong may lashes all the time. It's just, you know, sometimes I feel like I want to have one. May mga occasion. Tomorrow, we have a birthday party to go to. On Sunday, we'll go to the studio to sell. Alam niyo yun? So, even though para sa iba, wala namang kaibahan. Even for Daddy Mike, guys, because he loves me and he thinks I'm the most beautiful woman in the world, then he sometimes not notice, you know, that I've got lashes at me the same way because, you know, I think like the yung pangharap na anyo is nothing when you really love someone. But for me, I feel good after having lashes. And you know what I mean? And being a mom of two, I'm so busy. I'm, you know, juggling 5 things together, and I don't have time to like put mascara on or curler ng lashes. And it's just very handy for me to have something like this. And you know, when I go out, for example, you know, when I sell stuff outside, I need to feel good. I need to look good, and having lashes on, it makes me feel good. It means it gives me more confidence, you know, and we need that, guys. We all need that. And you know, unfortunately, some people just don't get that one. But I totally understand. Not everyone is the same. Hi guys!
We made it to
We made it to where? City? We're not in a city.
What?
We're in Newstead.
Oh, Newstead.
Dito kami sa Newstead, guys. Because
Wales.
we're seeing Daddy Mike for lunch. Malapit na siyang mag 2 o'clock. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, 2 o'clock daw siya lalabas. So, we just parked. Ayan, dito kami sa Wakalator. And we'll see. We'll message Daddy Mike now. See kung saan na siya. Tignan mo si Madam. Sabihin natin kay Daddy Mike, nandito tayo sa harap ng reef. Si Madam naka-sunglasses. We're still waiting for Daddy, guys. Ang ating ate kay, binawi man sa kanyang mami. Nakataka-photo lang, be. Like a model. You're like a model. Smile daw lang. Or should I go?
What do you want for lunch first? Noodle soup?
Can I have chicken nuggets and some chips?
I said noodle soup.
Where's the noodle soup? Ah, the Thai?
I got Vietnamese one too.
Ah, okay. Come, let's
Have you
go.
been to the Taiwan?
No.
I just saw.
Ganito yung event, guys, kung sa Paris lang yung anak namin. Diba?
I just saw a bus
Buti lang
with.
nadadagdagan ni Baby Celine.
I just
Kasi
saw.
malaki na.
I just saw a picture of a sugar glider on the bus.
Do you want
Yeah.
Thai pub? They got some dumb.
Yeah, we can. But this one, she'll find something, yeah? And we're just crossing the road, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat now. Busy. Should I, Daddy?
Yeah, it's good. Yours?
How's your teeth? You know that teeth, guys, is just temporary for 2 weeks. So we will do like a reveal, like a final,
I got haircut.
set of teeth ni Daddy. Diyan kami pupunta. Samsa. Funny fact, guys, no? Ang may-ari nito ay Thai at nakabili siya ng bag sa akin. we will walk with you. Grill, you marry me.
Hello.
I got my spicy popo salad, papaya salad. Oh,
Papaya.
Daddy's having pad thai, and Daddy's fried rice is coming. Oh yeah.
What did you say? Daddy's what? Coming?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. I love it.
Thai fried rice. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Are you eating a what, huh? Nakapag-lunch na kami, so si Daddy Mike ay babalik na sa kanyang work.
Not Australian monies.
Yeah.
Ate Paris and I will go to TK Maxx. Kasi, bibili tayo ng hangers. Hopefully, the hanger na hinahanap ko ay nandoon. We might spend 1 hour walking around and then head back to pick up Lainey from school. Kailangan na kasi ni Daddy bumalik eh. Oh, it's above 1 hour break? 40 minutes.
1 hour.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
So see you later.
I'll see Daddy
See you
later.
tonight.
I'll see Daddy after picking up later.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
My shop said see you at, what's it called again? 12 o'clock, because that's the time we come home.
12 o'clock? I'm gonna see Daddy later at Balimba. 6.
No, but after that, it will take 20.
So, dyan kami pupunta. We'll cross this road. Have a look lang. This is very similar to ours, yeah? Kasi yung aming dito namin binili, guys. Yung aming coffee table, yung mga ganyang album, tawag dito, frames. Beautiful. I found what I wanted, guys. At 9 o'clock at night. And ito, nanonood pa ng ano. Hinihintay ang kanyang ate tsaka yung kanyang daddy. Mamaya pa yun siguro eh. Hindi pa tapos yung game. Da-da-da-da! Louie! Have you been a good boy? Tingnan nyo. Hawak-hawak na sila ng... Hi, mermaid! Hi, mermaid! Anju. How are you tonight?
No, that's Lynn.
Hi, Mermaid Celine. Hi, Mermaid Celine. You're so beautiful. What are you watching?
Let's have Halloween.
Halloween. Best friends yan sila. I'm doing some stuff for, guys, Sunday. Oh, yung dadalhin natin. I will take the clothes inside. Tapos, ito yung, magpupresyo ako. Presyo ako naman ka. Hi, Ma.
Hello! Good evening! Thank you for supporting Mom and Paris in Melbourne. Hey guys! How are you doing? Hey guys!
Hugo ka, ayang screen.
Pag-umi si Papa mo sa... tayo na. Papa.
Da. Sana all. Artista na yan.
Tayo na.
When
When resources.
when Reese Walsh was like running, he was
So when he was scoring,
yeah.
show what he did.
So what was the final score?
Do you mean the scores for each one?
Mm-hmm.
Broncos won because they got 28 and the Dolphins got 14.
Wow. So the Paris's team won. And did you catch the ferry home?
No.
Or did you Uber from there?
Yeah, because Dad forgot the way to the boat, so he just took Uber.
It gave us the wrong way.
Well, it was lucky we took an Uber because if we took a boat, it would like take so long.
Yeah.
But if we took like the Uber, it would not take that long. It just took about like 12 minutes.
Okay. That's right then. Yeah, because there's no traffic, yeah? It's night time. Celine was waiting for you. She's like, I want Ati. But she said, Ati hit me on the head. She said,
There was message.
and then she told me, but Ati said sorry. So she remembered Paris.
I said sorry. I saw the message and I said sorry and I hugged her for like probably 1 hour.